Hello, my dear student, welcome back. Today we are solving the book exercise of the chapter 7. The chapter name is Women, Caste, and Reform Movement. Reform Movement. Okay. Okay, I think you have to think about that. It is a very bad writing. No, it's not bad writing. I am right at the screen of mobile phone, so you can understand that how I can write here. Okay, so let's, without wasting our time, let's start the video and solve the book exercise of the chapter. Here the first exercise is multiple choice question. Okay, first option is, in pre-colonial India the social status of dash was very low. So pre-colonial means it is the time period of British period. Okay, and in this period the what is the condition of the woman? Okay, so it is a very low condition of the woman. So first, in the first option will be the B. Okay, second is the most important landmark in girls education was the founding of a school in Calcutta called the Hindu Balika Vidyalaya by dash. Okay, so a great person, the name of the person John Eliot Drinkwater Bethune. He was the person who established a Hindu Balika school in a Calcutta. Okay, next is statement number 3. Vidyasagar, a educationalist and one of the foremost social reformer of the 19th century, was instrumental in the first widow remarriage that took place in as you all know about that, the Vidyasagar belonged from the Calcutta, and he as a reformer in the 19th century, and he instrumental in the first widow remarriage. In the option number A is a correct option. It means Calcutta. Okay. Fourth is Dayanand Saraswati, the founder of the Arya Samaj, strongly opposed. You know that the Vidyasagar opposed as a child marriage, widow marriage, and untouchability. So option number D is a correct. It's clear. Next is option number 5. The child marriage was declared illegal in which year? Okay, so in import of the Brahm Samaj. So it is declared illegal the year of 1860. Okay, 1860. So first exercise has been completed. Now second exercise. Exercise second is fill in the blanks. So you can see here I already filled it. So listen carefully. The idea of rationalism. Okay, rationalism and the humanism, equality and individualism become the dominant stream of the European thoughts. Okay. Second statement is, in spite of opposition, Muslim girls' school were set up in Lucknow and Aligarh, and later in the Patna and Calcutta by Begum Ruqayya. It is the name of a woman who established the Muslim girls Balika school. Okay, so Begum Ruqayya Shekhawat Hussain. Her complete name is Begum Ruqayya Shekhawat Hussain. Now third option is, due to the effort of dash the Age of Consent Act was passed in 1891. So it is a Behrangi Malabari. Okay, Behrangi Malabari. Okay. Fourth is, Sati was the act of the self-immolation which was the practiced in many parts Bengal. and as you know about that, it banned by the Lord William Bentinck to the help of Raja Ram Mohan Rai. Okay, now fifth option is in 1829 Lord William Bentinck, the British Governor General, passed an act banned the practice of the sati. Okay, it's this statement already given in the option number 5. Okay, so it is correlate to each other. Now sixth statement is widowhood was considered the inauspicious, and widow was forced to lead a secluded life. Okay, so in the statement of the fill in the blanks, the word is the widowhood. Okay, I we know about that the widow was mostly work as a Dayanand Saraswati. Okay, now seventh option is dash laid the foundation for the Brahm Samaj in 1830, which aimed to preach dash improve the position of women in a society and the liberate the society from ritual and the superstitious practice. So in the first blanks you can fill the word Raja Ram Mohan Rai laid the foundation for the Brahm Samaj. It is the father of, we can say that father of Brahm Samaj was Raja Ram Mohan Rai, and this society established in 1830, which aimed to preach monotheism. Monotheism means single god worship. Okay, single god worship, improve the position of women in the society and the liberate the society from ritual and the superstitious practices. Okay, now eighth option is according to the rules of the caste system, the Vijayanagar had to live in a separate, specifically demarcated areas and were not allowed to drink water from the public well or the use public transport. Okay, so next is ninth. Jyotiba Phule educated his wife Savitribai Phule and appointed her as the teacher in school. And where she appointed in the Maharashtra. Okay, now 10th option is the book dash written by Jyotiba Phule. This Jyotiba Phule wrote a book, the name of book Gulam Giri. Okay, so you can fill in the first blank. Gulam Giri, written by the Jyotiba Phule, asked all the low caste Indians to unite and fight for the building a new society based on the equality. Okay, he want to give in everyone a equal right. Okay, and absence of discrimination, that is the without discrimination society will be established by the which Jyotiba Phule as they wanted. Okay, now option number C. Option number C is there are given some statement and you can write here true or false. Okay, first statement is B.R. Ambedkar belong to the upper caste. Okay, B.R. Ambedkar belong to the upper caste. So you know very well that he not belongs from the upper caste. Okay, and established the Bahishkrit Hitkarani Sabha to spread education among the lower caste. It is a true. Second statement is a true, but first statement is a false. So we can write here false for the first statements. Okay, second is child marriage was declared illegal in 1872 largely due to the effort of Brahm Samaj. Okay, as you know about that in 1872 it is not declared to child remarriage. Okay, banned. Okay, it declared, I think, in the Sharda Act and before the Sharda Act in 1816. Okay, in 1816. So this sentence also is a false statement. Clear? Now third is 1 minute. Now third is the woman who becomes sati was revered as a goddess, as it was seen as an act which helped her dead husband attain spiritual salvation. Yeah, it's correct. In the ancient time, it means the 18th century, when the woman woman revealed herself with his husband, okay, burned himself with his husband, they known as a rival goddess, okay. So this statement is a true statement, so write down here true. Now fourth option is Vidyasagar was the principal of Sanskrit College in Calcutta, where the encouraged non-Brahmin and low-cost students to study Sanskrit language and literature. So Vidyasagar also made the effort for this condition. So here the statement is true. Okay. Now fifth option is under the leadership of Prathna Samaj, several widow homes and Kanya Gurukuls were established for the educating the women. Yeah, there is it's not work of the Prathna Samaj. Okay, it's not work of Prathna Samaj. So this statement will be the false. Okay, false. Now next exercise is match the following group of words. So you know about that Lord Bentinck is a person who banned the Sati Pratha. So you can match first option number first option with the number of D. Okay. Second is Lord Dalhousie. As you know, the Lord Dalhousie was a person who make a act of widow remarriage. Okay, so second option match with option number E. Now third is Raja Ram Mohan Roy. As you know about that, Raja Ram Mohan Roy is a reformer and he also established a Sabha. The name of the Sabha Shabd Kaumdi. Okay, Shabd Kaumdi. So third match with option number A. Now fourth is Dayanand Saraswati. He also wrote a books. The book's name is Satyarth Prakash. So fourth match with option number B. Satyarth Prakash written by the Dayanand Saraswati. And now fifth option is Maharashtra. Maharashtra match with the option number C. Prathna Samaj. Yes, Prathna Samaj established in a Maharashtra. Now sixth is a Jyotiba Phule. Jyotiba Phule is also a reformer, and what he reformed, he established a Sabha. The name of the Sabha Bahishkrit Hitkarani Sabha. Okay, Bahishkrit Hitkarani Sabha. Now seventh is Narayana Guru. Narayana Guru is a Narayan Dharma Pripalana Yogan. Option number J will be the correct option of the seventh. Now eight is a Swami Vivekananda. He is a great reformer and he also established a Ramkishan Mission. So 8 option match with the option number I. 9th is E.V. Ramaswamy Naikar, and this option match with the option number G, self-respect movement. Okay, and Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar Bahishkrit Sabha. Yeah, Bahishkrit Sabha. Yeah, Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar established a Bahishkrit Sabha. So okay, 10 option match with the exercise number F, Bahishkrit Sabha. But here is the 6th option, Jyotiba Phule match with the option number H, Gulamgiri. Yeah, Jyotiba Phule written a book. The book name is Gulamgiri. Okay, so I think you have to complete your book exercise by watching this video. So next you can solve the book short type of the question and search it. First you can search it from your books and then write in your CW copy. So I think you read the question carefully and then solve the book exercise of the exercise number D and F with the help of the books. Okay, search out the question. Search out the answer of the question from your books and write it in the CW. Okay, so we made to the next video.